kitchen. This is my daughter Clara.
Hi.
And she is going to help me today with a medieval waffles recipe. And it's from a late 14th century Parisian, it's not actually a cookbook, it's a book about housekeeping which has lots of other tips as well, but among them also some recipes. What is special about these waffles? It's that instead of milk, it uses wine. And what we are going to do now, Clara, if you would like to beat the eggs while I put them in here. Now, like with all historical recipes, we have the problem that there are no amounts involved, so we have to just guess. But for a dough that is more or less easy to do, you can guess after the consistency. We will add a little bit of salt to the eggs and keep stirring. Some wine. Now the recipe doesn't specify whether red or white wine is used. We just thought we give it a different, also optical touch by using red wine. Now that's an odd color. Yes. Now we add some flour, just stir and see when the consistency is right. Okay, so that's the base dough. Now there is a plain version that just uses them like this, but there is also a recipe for a cheese wafer that I would like to do. Now this one actually calls for putting a layer of dough, some cheese, another layer of dough. I find that with the concept of making waffles actually pretty difficult to do. So I was thinking, let's try to simply add some cheese into the dough. That should do. And let's bake it. Let's grease this well because it always sticks like crazy. And wait until it has heated nicely. And how are they?
They're really good, actually, yeah.